Hey, my name is Micha de Sterke, innovation expert, entrepreneur and author of the book The 10x Growth Machine, How Companies Can Innovate, Scale and Win. Today we're going to talk about an important building block that is part of the growth machine, a separate entity to build new ventures. And that important building block is an end-to-end process to go from idea to scale within 6 to 9 months. So how does this process look like? We always start with a customer development, customer discovery program. That basically means we need to figure out what is the problem of the consumer in the market and can we create a solution that helps to solve this problem. So in, let's say, the first 4 till 6 weeks, we really start talking with consumers in a qualitative way. So we need to gather qualitative insights. What are the pain points? How do you solve this problem now? Is this existing solution good enough? And this all will lead to interesting insights around maybe better propositions or better products. So what we need to understand after 4 till 6 weeks is who is the consumer, what are the pain points, do we have a right to solve that problem in a better way, and how many of these consumers are out there, let's say a first size of the opportunity. When the team can give you a clear answer to this, we go to the next phase. We call it an MVP phase. Basically it means, okay, when the problems are identified, we have first solution directions, can we start create many prototypes to test the parts of the solution. So how does the packaging needs to look like? What are the value proposition? Let's say, what are the benefits of the products? What is the price point? Can we sell it to a consumer? So after these 12 till 13 weeks, roughly speaking, week over week, we do many iterations on product, price points, channels, and really understand, can we sell the product? If we can sell the product, there should be a first understanding of, okay, we can sell the product for a certain price, we can acquire consumers on a sort of regular rhythm, and that leads to a first understanding, is this an investment opportunity we would like to spend more time and money in? If that is the case, we still need to figure out a couple of things. And we call that more, let's say, growth phase, launch phase, which basically means, can we understand how fast we can acquire new consumers per week? What is the cost of acquisition of one consumer? How much of our product can we sell to one consumer to understand what is the lifetime value of a consumer? And is there a scalability aspect? Is it what we have find in one market, is that also the same in another market? We can also put already, let's say, products on shelf in retail or out-of-home channels to understand how does the product perform. Is, let's say, the taste of the product, is that good enough for the consumer or what they have expected from, let's say, the advertisements and the propositions that we have created. So after the 13 weeks, we need to understand, is there an investment opportunity to grow the business? Then the team should show in that phase afterwards, let's say, all aspects of repeatable purchases. There needs to be a first P&L, and they need to understand at the end, how fast can we grow this business to reach an X amount of million of revenues in 6 months, in 1 year, in 2 years. And that is the goal of an end-to-end process. If we stop earlier and the team goes back to the core business, we know with our experience that the team will dissolve because the numbers and the revenue that we show is way too small, so it's not interesting for a core business manager to take this project and invest more time and money. If we go too long, it is also not good enough because at one point we need to hit a monthly recurring revenue model, and at that point innovation should stop because we figured out the business model and now we need to execute on scale. So too early it's not good, too late it's also not good, so we need to hit that milestone of that recurring revenue model and take the existing business in this journey. Curious about the book? Check out the website 10x Growth Machine and you will find all the models and tools that I refer to.